Material in ANSYS. In this video, you learn what are material model. Material model in ANSYS: name, linearity, value, and supported element. Defining material properties: linear, nonlinear, bilinear, and multilinear, and elastic, hyperelastic, and plastic material in graphical user interface or GUI, and ANSYS command. Finding material property data and saving material properties. Defining steel material, linear and nonlinear. Defining concrete material, linear and nonlinear. Defining soil, rubber, FRP, or fiber reinforced polymer, and etc. Material, linear and nonlinear. In this chapter, you will learn about material model and how they are implemented in ANSYS. You will also learn how to specify the material model that you wish to use, how to supply material property values, where to find material property data, and how to save your material data for future use. What are material models? A material or constitutive model is a mathematical representation of the expected behavior of a grain material in response to an applied load. For example, we expected the deformation or strain of many material in the elastic regime to be linearity proportion to a coaxial applied force or stress according Hooke's law, strain equals stress over E constant. In this case, the constant of proportionality is Young modulus, or E. Unlike analysis model, finite element models do not require you to drive and solve this equation, but you need to identify the material that will be used in the model and determine how they will behave under the expected conditions. Based on that information, you must identify the material model, linear elastic, linear elasticity, kinematic, hardening plasticity, and so on, that you wish to use, and then supply the material property value, E, no, rho, and etc. for this model, so the program can set up and solve the equation for you. Material model in ANSYS: name, linearity, value, and supported element. ANSYS currently offers more than 60 predefined material models. Like element, each material model in ANSYS has a number of properties associated with it. Material model name: each material has a formal name that is used in ANSYS documentation. Some names describe the behavior of a material model, anisotropic, elasticity, and etc. Other names identify the material that is most commonly associated with that behavior, cast iron, concrete, and etc. Some material models are named for the researcher who developed them, such as Drager-Prager in soil material. Material model linearity: in ANSYS material model, linearity is defined based on solution iteration. Linear material model require only a single solution path to solve the system of equation, while nonlinear material models require an iterative solution. Material model labels: each linear material property has a 1 to 4 character of its name that is used as its material property label. For example, EX is the label for Young modulus in X direction. This label specifies which linear material property defined using the mpdata command. Each nonlinear material model has 2 to 8 character abbreviation of its material label TB data. Thus, when define linear material, use mp command And when use define nonlinear materials, use TB command. Material property value. Each material properties value are supplied as a constant using MP command. For some nonlinear material models, use TB data command. And for nonlinear model, as a curve using TBPT command. Nonlinear material models require linear material property to be defined in addition to the nonlinear material property, isotropic, orthotropic, and anisotropic. Many real materials have a spatial or orientation dependence. For example, natural material like wood are stronger when loaded parallel to the grain and weaker when loaded perpendicular to the grain. Similarly, fiber-reinforced materials have different properties depending on the orientation of the fiber. Most material models in ANSYS can be spatially dependent. If a material has properties that are the same in every direction, the material is isotropic.